Foundations Test Unit 10. We will begin with sounds. You are going to listen to one video that will tell you all 5 sounds to type. You will type each sound in its own answer box. Let's begin. Sound number 1. Type the 4 ways that say A. Long A sound, like in safe, acorn, bait, and play. A. Sound number 2. Type the 3 ways to make the I sound, like in pine, high, and cry. Long I. Sound number 3. 3 ways to make the sound, like in her, bird, and burn. Sound number 4. 3 ways to make the k sound, like in cat, kite, and sock. Number 5. Type the ang sound, like in song. Glued sound ang, like in song.